I was a fiend before I became a teen, flying coaxial helicopter Simons, it seemed some RC orientated. So when quadcopters originated, for motors for better control, sounded amazing. So I grabbed the micro and said, let's race, y'all. They making faces and say my drone too small. Cool, cause I don't get upset. I kick over the gates, pull the flags, then I jet back to the lab, searching China sites and ads so I can add on the quads I had, one after the other one. When I got a hub, son, wasn't no stopping it, I had to get other ones. I get a craving like I'm fiending for sipping lean, but I don't need no robotussin', know what I mean? Drone racing, quadcopters breaking, chop shots for days in. Franken quads made in the border, cause it's sort of an addiction. I had to fly, I'm on it fixing, testing a quad, I should've soldered with fluxed-in. A lipo eruption, the wires was touching, quad started smoking, definitely broken. Plus it started snowing, so I guess I'm about to go inside. Of course, cause I got a fleet of tiny whoops to fly. The despicable micro-drone fiend, I'm him. Spread the word and don't send for the FAA or the FCC. I'm a drone operator operating correctly. But back to the problem, I gotta have it. You can't solve it. Support my habit, the prescription is a diatone. Put in the air when I fiend for a micro drone, like heroin or like a bass hit. I'm ready to rip. Plug in a micro and hand me the sticks, and I'll show you how I move in a constant state of high awareness. Beware, you need a wider stater. When motors swinging heavier props, so that's your lesson. And we flash in beta. Plus your peers need correction. You see a part of me that you never seen. When I'm fiending for a micro drone, I'm the micro drone fiend.